Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then begin setup immediately. Install a user space No Root Firewall app on Android or a desktop packet filter that runs without kernel modules. This avoids rooting. Once installed, grant necessary network permissions. Do not grant root. Make sure you enable developer options and USB debugging only if you plan to capture logs. Then open the app and allow VPN-based routing when prompted, because the firewall uses a local VPN to filter traffic without system-level root access. You now build practical filtering rules and test them. Start with a conservative default block profile, then add whitelist entries for essential apps, email, banking, updates so they can connect. Use domain-based rules and DNS filtering to block trackers and ad servers. This reduces false positives versus port-only blocks. Once done, enable per app toggles to restrict background data. Then run connectivity tests, open a browser, load a known site, and verify logs to confirm the intended traffic flows through the firewall. You finish by locking in safe defaults and backups, then observe behavior. Export your configuration and update block lists regularly. This preserves custom rules and improves protection. Make sure to monitor performance, CPU, and battery, because VPN-based filtering can consume resources, so enable sleep rules when idle. If an app loses connectivity, first check that the local VPN permission is active and that DNS settings match your expectations. If problems persist, temporarily disable strict blocks to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.